If you are like me and miss the convenience of using your favorite wired headphones with your modern smartphone, then I have a new best friend suggestion for you. Hey there, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I am diving into the world of smartphone accessories with a review of UGREEN Type-C to 3.5mm and Type-C dongle. Stick around as I explore its features, advantages and real-life benefits. It lets you do something most similar adapters can't: charge your phone and listen to headphones at the same time. Let's face it, the whole ditching the headphone jack trend can be annoying, especially for us audiophiles who love our high quality wired headphones. I mean, don't get me wrong, wireless headphones are great, but sometimes you just want that pure, uncompressed sound. That's why I was so excited to find this UGREEN converter. It lets me keep using my favorite wired headphones while still keeping my phone juiced up. This little adapter is pretty straightforward. It has two ends, a Type-C male connector that plugs into my phone and two female ports, one for my 3.5mm headphones and another Type-C port for charging. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This UGREEN converter is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of smartphones and laptops that have ditched the headphone jack in favor of Type-C or Thunderbolt connectivity. Whether you are rocking a latest Samsung Galaxy smartphone or Apple Mac laptop, this converter has got you covered. In the screen, you are now seeing the list of compatible devices. You can pause the video right now to find your desired phone or laptop's name in the list. I am also attaching some popular phone models which are not supported by this UGREEN converter, including Apple iPhone 15 series. Alright, so the technical specs are cool, but what about real life benefits? Here are few reasons why I love this converter. The biggest advantage, of course, is using wired headphones while charging. No more switching back and forth between cables or that awkward situation where your phone dies mid-listening session. This converter is tiny and lightweight, making it perfect to toss in my bag or pocket. It won't add any bulk and is always there when I need it. Unlike some adapters, this UGREEN converter doesn't compromise on audio quality. You will still get that crisp, clear sound from your wired headphones. Alright, let's see this thing in action. Here I am plugging the converter into my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now I can pop in my headphones and at the same time I can connect my charging cable. See? Easy as that. But you can't expect your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to be charged at full speed while you are using this converter. Even though the converter supports up to 60W PD 3.0 and QC 4.0 charging, it can only charge the Samsung devices up to 15W speed. Otherwise, the converter supports PD 3.0, QC 4.0, YE, SCP and PPS protocol for charging. So, you might get less charging speed, but you can be assured that your phone can receive any type of charging via this adapter. In conclusion, the UGREEN Type-C to 3.5mm and Type-C converter is a must-have accessory for modern smartphone users who refuse to compromise on audio quality or convenience. Its compatibility, versatility, and durability makes it a valuable addition to any tech arsenal. So, if you are tired of being tethered to wireless headphones or struggling to charge your device while listening to music, give this UGREEN converter a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. If you are considering getting one, leaving a comment below and let me know what kind of headphones you use. If you are interested in purchasing this product, be sure to check this video description below. No matter where you are living, USA or other places, my links will work worldwide. UGREEN recently launched a new model of this adapter with two 3.5mm audio jacks so you can share your music with your friends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and everyday tech solution. Until next time, see you.